Continuing our coverage right now, hundreds of first responders, as we've mentioned, are on the ground fighting those wildfires that are tearing through the western part of the state. And one Cary business is partnering with the community to help give those men and women the tools they need. CBS North Carolina's Birchelle Edmay is live at Barry's Cafe with their effort and how you can help. And Birchelle, you've been there all morning long, and it really is incredible to see what they're doing there.
It has, to see so many people here, you know, since 6:30 when Barry's Cafe opened and bringing in different donations. And I want to show you just how much we have here. And in fact, this is only a portion of some of the donations that have come in. A lot of them have already gone into a major truck. But these are the resources that firefighters say they need. Things like chapstick and, you know, baby wipes and different toiletries that they'll need as they continue to help battle these fires. Now, Barry's Cafe has been around since 1992, and 2 years after opening, the owner, Barry Doyle, got a call asking if he could provide some hot coffee and sandwiches for firefighters working on an assignment at a huge ice storm. He helped then, and he's helping now. Barry set up the Free the Firefighters Foundation, which is asking people to help collect items for first responders. It's something that doesn't surprise his customers or local firefighters here.
I think Barry's Cafe has always put firefighters first, and you can see that on the walls around this place.
Whether it is, 3 o'clock in the morning and we're at a house fire and we're hungry, we can call Barry and know that he's going to show up with some food.
And we're joined now with Barry himself. And really quickly, Barry, just tell me how's it feel to see all these people donate these items?
Oh, wonderful. It really is. And thanks for all your help and WNCN's help in getting the word out that the firefighters up in the mountains, they need socks and all kinds of stuff. Socks and gloves and all kinds of things. Yeah, and we got a lot of batteries, whatever. So they need a lot of stuff.
All right. Well, Barry, thank you so much for all you've been doing for the community. Of course, you can stop by here and donate some items as well. They are taking cash donations. They'll be open until 4 for you. And then if you don't have time by that, you can head over right across the street to the Swift Creek Fire Department and make donations there until tomorrow at 7. For now, reporting live in Cary, Birchelle Edmay, CBS North Carolina.